Hey guys, my name is Steve from Pacific Lawn Sprinklers, and in today's video I'm just going to show you a little bit about how our franchise team helps you manage all the pricing and all the items on your back end so you can be as profitable as possible when you're going out there doing service and repairs. Alright guys, so another thing that we do on the back end for our franchise owners is we do all the pricing and all the pricing updates in our system. So our system contains probably over 10,000 or so items. You don't need to concern yourself with all 10,000 of them because there's only probably 100 or 200 or 300 you use on a daily basis. But we have anything you can imagine for irrigation. We got any type of PVC fitting, any type of telescopic brake, any type of backflow, any type of timer, any type of pump, valve, anything you can imagine, anything you're going to run across, we have it in our system. And I'm sure maybe a lot of you guys have that, or a lot of you guys have companies that have that. You probably think it's no big deal, great. But each of these items are constantly getting price increases from suppliers. Site One just recently raised a lot of their prices. Even the suppliers behind Site One and stuff like that, Hunter and stuff, they're constantly tweaking their prices. Now, if you're just going out there and working and not paying attention to this stuff, because obviously you're busy working in the field, you're going to be charging the same for your stuff while actually making less profit because the material costs you more. So it sounds easy, but it's actually a lot of work because there's so many items involved in an irrigation ticket. So what we do is we have part of our team constantly monitoring, updating, and reviewing all our prices. Every single irrigation or lighting price is reviewed pretty much on a daily basis. So with that said, as we come into each item and we say, okay, this item was raised 10%, we'll go in and kick it up. It was decreased. Or this item's selling more or not selling more, or we're getting complaints on this price or no complaints on this price. There's about 100 things that go into one just simple tiny item. It might not seem like a lot, but you want someone doing this for you so you can make as much money as you can. It's a lot of work. If you're not paying attention to it, you could definitely be losing money. So that's just another benefit of our system. Anyone who's reviewing this stuff has years of irrigation experience, knows every single part, knows what it's like in the field, knows what you actually need, what you actually should charge for it. It's not just random people. We've actually been out there doing it, and we've lost money. That's why we know now how to help you make it. So it's just another thing we do as part of our system. If you'd like to learn more, just contact us. Feel free to review this with you. We can demo, show you everything, no problem. So that's just another thing we do at Pacific Lawn Sprinklers.